So my name is Tan Kim Hao, and then this will be my inventory system. Okay, so the title my inventory system will be Tan Kim Hao Computer Shop. So this will be the main menu. So to view the inventory system, the inventory item, and I just enter my choice one. Then this will be my inventory, and then the items that which is less need to be restocked are shown as yellow. So this one, like the blinking one, is like VivoBook and Victus. So yeah, this is how I see the inventory system. Then there will be item ID, item name, quantity, and price. So go back to the main menu. If I want to restock the inventory item, I just enter number 2. And then I can choose the ID that I want to restock. So let's say I want to restock because is number 6, so I just press 6. And then it will shows that enter and type the amount that you want to restock in between 1 to 9. Let's say I want to restock it to 10. So I just press 8, and then it will shows that item is already restocked successful. Victor's quantity will be 10. All right. So I will go back to the main menu, or I want to restock the item again, or I want to sell the inventory. So I will go back to the main menu, and then now I will go to the sell inventory items. Okay. So this will be the sell inventory items. And to sell, please type and enter the item ID. So this will be the item ID. Like let's say I want to sell MacBook Air because I have quantity. The quantity is 100. So let's say I want to sell it like 10. So I just key in 0, and then in the range of 1 to 9, please type and enter the quantity to sell. So I will sell it like 5. So I press 5, and then it shows that the item is sold successfully. So just now the MacBook Air is 100 for the quantity. So now I sell 5. So it will now shown as 95. Okay, and then I'll go back to the main menu again. So for the fourth one is sort inventory items. So sort inventory item by stock count. So we can see what is in stock and what is low or out of stock. So I'll go back to what in stock. So this is the stock inside the inventory, but you will notice that will not show the stock item that is in yellow, low, or out of stock, because I just want to see what is inside the stock that is enough for me to sell. So go back to the main menu, like go back to the sort inventory items and what is low or out of stock. So I will go there, and then it will show us that VivoBook is low of stock. Okay, and then I can choose to go back to restock the inventory items or sell the inventory items. So I will go to restock the inventory items, and the VivoBook, I will choose the VivoBook is 4, item ID is 4. So I want to restock it at 5. And then yeah, the quantity now is 10. So if I go back to the main menu, I go back to sort inventory items, and then what is low or out of stock, it will show nothing here. But then if I go back to what in stock, it will show everything over here. So let's say if I want to sell Victor's, okay, I go back, and then I will sell 6. So now the quantity is 1, and I want to sell it out of stock. So I will sell again, and now it shows that Victor is out of stock. So when I go back to the main menu, I go back to the sort inventory items. I will go to here. So it shows that it's out of stock, 0. And then if I go back to the main menu and I go to the sales report, yeah, this will show all of my item ID, item name, and then the quantity that have been sold and the price for each unit, and then it will times multiply 8 times 500 is 4,000. So yeah, it will be based on the total earned over here from quantity multiplied by the price per unit. So I go back to main menu, and then that's all for my inventory system, and this will be the exit program. We appreciate your use for the software. Hope to meet you shortly. That's all from me.